Are you out on the market to possibly make some custom t-shirts for yourself like this one? Or maybe even some microfiber cloths with some Good Take Cheap branding on it to clean the monitors or phone screens or any other types of glass? Or possibly you just want some coffee mugs for that morning coffee. Well, we're going to show you how to do this all in today's episode of Good Take Cheap. Is that a smudge? How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of Good Take Cheap. My name is Brad and I'm the host for today's episode. Starting out, if you're new to the show, make sure you are following where you're seeing this episode at, as well as our other social medias. You can find all the links in the description, as well as the links to today's product we're going to review. We've got the VEVOR 5-in-1 heat press machine. We're going to get it out of the box, press a few things, and let you guys know exactly what we think. So let's go check it out. So here we have the heat press machine. Got a lot in this box, and we're gonna get it out. Okay, right here on top, we have some of our attachment pieces. That one's got a curve on it. This one is a small pad. This one is a bit bigger of a pad, but it's still a small pad. Right here we have another attachment with a curve on it. Our handy paperwork. And a flat screwdriver and the power cord along with a wrench. Get the rest of the styrofoam out. Now we have the press machine setting down in here. Right here on the side we have the small mug press. We can put a mug in here, like a coffee mug. That's gonna be handy. Then we're gonna grab the press itself. Get the plastic off. And this feels really nice. Super heavy duty. We have the VEVOR logo right here, along with the LCD screen, our mode, our plus minus, and our start and stop. On the side right here we have our power switch along with a reset button. On the back we have venting for air cooling along with the port for the power supply, and an adjustment right here along with the release handle. It rotates where you can easily get stuff onto the pad. So this is everything you get in the box. Gonna get this thing assembled, put it together, and start pressing some t-shirts and some mugs and whatever else we can get. So this is what you get in the box. Let's go check it out. So getting this machine set up is super quick and easy, and you can really jump right into it. If you're looking into doing some sublimation prints, this is the ideal heat press machine for you. That's what we've done right here with this microfiber cloth. We did a sublimation print, and now I'm going to show you just how we did that. So let's go check that out. So we are going to sublimate a microfiber cloth. First thing we're going to do is get all the moisture and wrinkles out of it with a pre-press. We won't completely lock it, we'll just put a little pressure so it will iron it a little bit, getting all the excess moisture out of it. Look at that. Now we will take some parchment paper, put it right down, just in case we have any bleed out. Get our microfiber cloth down. Place our logos on there how we want. We'll put them on here like this. And another layer of parchment paper to protect any bleed, keeping our press from being messy. We are ready to pull it around. Be careful, it will be hot. We'll press down and hit our play button. And the temperature will raise up. And then do our countdown. And it will be sublimated. We are counting down now, giving it a 30-second press at 390 degrees Fahrenheit. There's our bead. We are ready. Raise it up, move it around. Get our parchment paper off. See, we got a little bit of bleed, so we're saving that from getting on our press. Pulling this paper off, you can see we have nice prints down on the microfiber cloth. That looks great. We got some good tech cheap hand towels now. Great for cleaning up a monitor because it's a microfiber cloth. Pretty cool. So with the VEVOR 5-in-1 heat press, you can customize everything. Not to mention, you will get excellent performance, precise control with the time and temperature, a Teflon layer for that non-stick performance, and high quality temperature keeping pads, which makes putting shirts on perfect for making them sublimation prints. And you also get all the security insurance that you need with a circuit breaker that gives you overheating protection. You also get 360-degree rotation that is anti-scald, keeps you from getting burnt if you properly rotate it around, as well as an alarm buzzer that will auto-notify you when it's time to release the pressure and check out your new print. And of course, with it being 5-in-1, you can get multi-purpose usage right out of the box. We did some microfiber cloths, some shirts, and the mugs, all super easily done by swapping out the attachment parts, which you can see can easily be done swapping it out and checking out the mug press, putting it in and putting some branding on it so we can have some sweet, good tech cheap coffee mugs while we drink our coffee here in the studio making this content, as well as the possibilities to press so many other products like plates, handbags, hats, garden flags, and pretty much anything that you can find that is a sublimation blank if you're printing sublimation. And of course, with it being a VEVOR product, you're guaranteed a premium tough quality that you can get cost effective with fast and secure transport and 24/7 customer support. And that means a lot when you have great customer support. We've been having an absolute blast using this heat press machine, and we've got so much more ideas that we're going to be using it for. So VEVOR, you have once again delivered a solid product that we absolutely love on this channel. So if you are looking into this setup, we would highly recommend it, as well as make sure to check out all the links and details, as well as possibly some savings in the description. And would also like to give a huge shout out to VEVOR for partnering up with us so we could give you this review. So if you found this review helpful, be sure to hit that like button. Let us know what you think about it in the comments and some things that you would like to use it for. As well as if you haven't subscribed to the channel already, make sure to do so. But that's going to wrap it up for today's episode. Once again, my name is Brad, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next review.